Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I wanted to show you guys a new arrival on our brokerage, being a 2019 NauticStar 243 DC. So starting up here in the bow, we got very, very spacious seating. This being a deck boat, it's got a very wide bow, so that way you can really make the most out of the room you have up here. Secondly, you do also have a really nice casting platform, as well as a bow ladder, so that really helps out for beaching this thing and having multiple points of entry. Now, this boat is also equipped with a pump out head. You see it's also got the foam matting on the bottom and even a sink in there as well. Now, this boat also does have right at 327 hours on it, with so much life to spare. It's got a 200 horsepower Yamaha on board, which is just a killer engine and has so much life left in it. Just ready to pull a tube around or even just have a great day on the lake. And I actually have this engine running right now, and as you can tell, it is very, very quiet. Great motor all the way around. Then back here in the stern, you also do have another sink, and that is a pressurized sink with a water tank on board. And then you have your little L-shaped or U-shaped seating right here in the back, giving you a ton of walk-around room and also just seating area. Lastly, we do have our snap-out vinyl carpet, giving you the ability to take all of this out for a day if you're going to do a lot of fishing, or put it back in here so that way you can have a very nice leisure day on the water. But if there's any other questions that you guys have about this boat, or want to schedule a demo, please contact us at 803-831-2101. And again, my name is Connor Marr. Thank you guys so much for watching.